So this time, we will add our integers and we will use this one. Some of my students would say LAUS or sometimes mingon na pud ko na laus. Mo na tong gamiton para mag-add tag integers. Unsaon ni paggamit? So pag LA, ang first is L. Timan-an lang nato. Pag like signs, i-add and then copy the common signs. Unsaon paggamit? We have here examples. Find the sum. Okay. So 4 plus 7. Like signs. Add and then copy the common sign. So let's add 4 plus 7 is 11 and the common sign is positive. So di na to isulat para maanad ta. Next, negative 9 plus negative 4. Like signs, correct? So, like signs sila, ato ang i-add. 9 plus 4 is 13. Then, copy the common sign which is negative. Next, we have 6 plus 4 plus 7. Parehag sign, dili. Okay, parehag sign. So, i-add na to. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 7, that is 17. So, dili na to isulat ang plus na sign. Next, we have negative 3 plus negative 8 plus negative 11. Pareha og signs, diba? So, atong i-add. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Plus 11, that would be 22. And then, let's copy the common sign, which is negative. I-try daw ni.